Tony Bradshaw with AddSomeToYourIncome.com. I'm here today to talk about how to make thousands of dollars while doing something that's fun. Really, what I'm saying is say yes to life opportunities that will bring you more money. They will show up, and you can choose to say yes to these opportunities instead of saying no. One of them that just came into my mind was that the principal at my school let us know we could lead a book club reading that's going to be part of professional development anyway. I chose to apply knowing that there was going to be a stipend. I got the job. I get to lead the group. I would be sitting in the group anyway, and I am making more money. That's not, pardon, that is not the only thing I'm focusing on today, and you're going to see it because the fun is a big part of what helps you really enjoy what you're doing. This is personal experience and no big surprises except for how to make thousands of dollars, which I have done, while doing something that is fun when I said yes to life. Let's dive in. I am about to make a couple of changes on us, and one of them is going to be to turn back on this screen so that we'll be able to see what is there, hopefully. Oh, maybe not. And the slideshow is going to show up in just a moment where we'll be able to see the slideshow. And I'm also going to be changing the outfit just a bit. How to make thousands doing something fun. Yep. Just took a layer off. Now you're getting just me. I start this with a quote. Time is a gift given to you the time that you need, the time you need to have the time of your life. Are you using that gift? Are you saying yes to the opportunities that can make more money? When you only have so much time to live, it's not just about making lots of money. Let's make money. Let's make thousands of dollars doing something that's enjoyable, something that's fun. Camp Invention showed up in my life where I was asked if I would be willing to be the director of Camp Invention. I asked some questions, found out a little bit about it, and eventually I said yes to the opportunity to be the director of Camp Invention. That first year, we had 35 campers at Camp Invention. I did not make thousands of dollars, okay? Hundreds of dollars, yes. Excuse me again. Anyway, at Camp Invention, I learned that when I get more campers, I'm able to have more teachers, which makes it easier. And eventually, I could get to the point where I could have an assistant director. That next year, we had about 55 campers. Really worked to get some more campers, and we had quite a few. We were able to have 4 instructors, 55 campers. The following year, I decided I'm really going to go for this and see if I can get 80 campers needed to get an assistant. And we got about 68 campers. The following year, push again, and some things happened. We had even about 62 campers. And then I got 79 campers. Lots of money coming in year after year, and I was stuck right at that point, almost having an assistant. Then the following year, 84 campers at Camp Invention. And this is me at that Camp Invention. You can see me right there, jumping. Yes, I had more hair back then. Jumping with a little bit of that excitement and joy. This was actually our test. Like, let me test taking the picture of the group and me running over, jumping into place right at that moment. Had a really fun time. Had the assistant, had the teachers, had 84 campers. It went really well. This all reminds me of a quote by Charles Schwab that is, "The man who does not work for the love of work, the man who does work for the love of work, but not for money, is not likely to make money nor find much fun. Let me rephrase this in my own words. If you are working just to make a lot of money, you're not going to make very much money. And what's also interesting is you're not going to be having fun. Fun happens at Camp Invention. I've got the shirt on because I just hung up with the campers that I am working on. Just closed the Zoom call. So let me talk a little bit about what happened for Camp Invention this last 2 years. I'm going to put the screen off and just have you be right here with me for a moment. So last year, 2020, big change across the world being a pandemic. We had Camp Invention planned at the school like usual. Didn't happen. And Camp Invention did a wonderful job of shifting gears fast enough to still have camp and do it online. I was someone who was willing to do that, and we did for the camp that I usually direct. And then the area director said to me, I need more directors and instructors for camps across the area that are online, because it's online, you can do this. It would be doing the exact same thing you already are doing, just at a different location, a different week. How are you spending your summer? Well, my summer had a few things in it, and yet I had a choice. Do I say yes to this opportunity of making more money? And I decided to shift things in my summer so that I could say yes to the opportunity of having the Camp Invention. That, and it was pandemic, so some of the things we were already planning couldn't happen anyway. So I say yes. I end up directing 6 camps. 6 camps. Thousands of dollars. 6 camps. That was last summer. This summer, we did the camp in person. We also had some camps that happened that are online. So I'm involved in directing 4 camps this year. And so hopefully this is back with us. Yes, it is. And there we go. So not for making lots of money. But money is an added perk for it. In fact, one of the teachers was saying, and I had a conversation with the director about how it really doesn't quite pay enough. There are other teacher summertime jobs that pay more. Yet the fun that happens with inventing with young students is through the roof. Here is an image of the kids I'm working with this week that I'm doing Camp Invention with. There I am greeting and working with these campers as we invent. And they have some of the most amazing inventions that they're coming up with. I feel like I could do an entire episode about invent things and you'll make lots of money. One of them had the invention of putting a... slipping my mind. I might just pull up my note about it really quick. The invention of putting together, it was 2 things crammed together. It was a brilliant idea. Just give me 1 second and let's see if I can find it on here or if I have it in another place. I have it in another place. They come up with creative ideas, solutions to problems, and do an awesome job. My brain is stuck on the thing that I was inventing, which was a pen to help you move on the page to be able to write better, because I'm working on my handwriting. And because my brain is stuck on the thing I invented, I'm struggling to pull up what some of them invented. But this guy in the bottom corner over here with the smirk on his face, great kid, thinking things up, predicting that we're going to get dinosaurs back alive because he loves dinosaurs. But we got sisters together. We have brothers across the screen from each other in separate rooms, just having a great time with these inventors. They are inventing. I am having fun with this, and I get paid money, as well as enjoying the ideas that they're bringing. And it helps inspire me to continue to inventing what I'm inventing videos like this one, inventing books, inventing things that can go far in the world. Speaking of doing things that really get you further and making more money, and having fun and the love that comes here. This name's really small. It's Maya Aguilera. She said, "You can only become truly accomplished at something you love. So don't make money your goal. Instead, pursue the things you love doing and then do them so well that people can't take their eyes off you." If I were to skip back here, this moment where I'm skipping through the air, right? A lot of the eyes in this picture are on me in that moment as I was going, we're going to do a quick test. I'm going to see if I can make it in time. And I didn't. So anyway, this do things so well quote is awesome. Money is not the goal. Money is the result of doing things in an amazing way. How do you make thousands doing something fun? First, have it be something that you love. Second, say yes to money-making opportunities that are coming that you know you'll enjoy. And then third, work a few summers. Right? This has been this summer, last summer and this summer, with 6 camps last year and 4 camps this year. Each summer has brought me in thousands of dollars in those camps, working and making thousands of dollars in addition to my teacher income, doing something fun. I hope you will say yes to the opportunity of making more money. That is also your passion and going to be fun for you. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.